Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttradesolutions.com on a Tuesday, first day of April. I'm sorry, April Fool's Day. Let's get right into the charts. Again, I'm offering 5 free days, no credit card to come in. We are looking at, obviously, after the dust settles on the tariffs tomorrow, there are some really great opportunities. If you want to take 5 days free, no credit card, just hit the link below and you'll have full access to the daily sessions, 3 sessions I do every day. Let's get right into the charts. Again, we are trying to claw our way out of the hole here, if you will. The NASDAQ is closing positive a little bit here. You can see trying to get right up to the end. It's been a very choppy session. So we are trying to work our way up. This is a positive when you open lower and then close higher. That's what I was talking about with our members this morning is, changing the pattern of opening higher and then closing lower. That's obviously very constructive from a bullish perspective. The only problem we got is that we've got some supply not that far away. So we will see what happens tomorrow. And obviously still it's kind of a more or less a wait and see type of market for tomorrow's tariff news that should be coming up during the day. You can see it's just been a very choppy kind of consolidation so far. We'll probably get some kind of resolution either to the downside or the upside tomorrow, depending on how the tariffs come out. Pretty much that's really kind of sums it up for the overall markets. Again, we do have some supply overhead on a lot of these markets because of the selling that has happened recently. Anytime you have big selling, you form supply. So there's a bunch of supply overhead. I don't think it's just a straight shot up. That just really doesn't cap. And, bottom line is we're only down like 8% from the high. So it's not like a big washout still. That still could be in the cards, incidentally, if things get a little bit tougher on the earnings starting next week and so forth. Again, rates are right down to the bottom end of the channel here of this consolidation. Dollar, no movement. I think that's also on a cusp of getting out. It's been range bound now for about a month, a little over a month, which means that it's probably due for something. And then again, I believe that gold is going to peak out if the market rallies. So this is kind of the safe haven. And if we do have a strong rally in the market, in the stock market, I think we probably pull back to 3K in gold. But it's all-time highs, nothing to do at this point with this. And then, we have that breakout in oil, which is now consolidating. And this looks like it wants to go higher, but you never know with this. I'm looking at some oil shares and USO and all that in our group as well. Also, the grains are going to be impacted by tariffs tomorrow. And, if you are a futures trader, some interesting situations developing in the soybeans and wheat and corn. So this is something that you might want to put on your radar coming up here. Again, if you want to join me, I'll give you some specific levels and trades and so forth. In any event, we'll see what happens tomorrow. By the way, we also have the jobs number on Friday. That's going to be very critical. So we still have a bunch of catalysts, and volatility is probably going to be high. We still haven't been able to break 20 on the VIX, so that's still in play. So we will see. Okay. All right. So again, subscribe to the newsletter. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to join me for 5 days, links below. If not, I'll see you next Friday. Take care.